everyone, it's Carolyn. Welcome back to Foodie Friday, a contemporary mama. Today I'm going to be sharing one of my absolute favorite summer dessert recipes with you. This is seriously so easy and so delicious. It's always a crowd pleaser whenever I bring it to any gathering or party in the summer. Everyone just gobbles them up and is always asking me for the recipe. So these are a lemon blueberry bar, one of my two favorite flavors in the summer, and I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to throw them together. So the first step in making these bars is to create the graham cracker crust. Now, when I was shopping for the ingredients, I had an epiphany. They already sell these pre-made graham cracker crusts at the grocery store. I see them all the time, and I use these in pies like regularly because I think they're really tasty and super easy. However, I am going to show you how to make your own, because if you are going to use one of these pre-made crusts, then you are going to lose out on a little bit of the lemon flavor, because we do add lemon zest into the crust, which really packs it full of that like summertime lemon flavor. So this is an incredible shortcut if you are short on time. I'm definitely going to be using this summer, but for the purpose of this video, I'll just show you how to make everything from scratch. Now, again, to save time, you could buy graham cracker crumbs already ground up. They do sell those, but I couldn't find any for some reason. So I'm gonna blend up some graham crackers in my food processor until they are finely ground into crumbs. You'll need about 1.5 cups, and then I'm gonna zest 1 lemon, and I'll show you how to make the crust.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you spin around.
So here is 6 tablespoons of butter, melted. All right, so I have all my ingredients. I have the graham cracker crumbs. Now, I had these stacks of small sort of square-shaped graham crackers, and I used 24 of these, but if you have full-size graham crackers, you'll only need 12, obviously. So I have my 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs. I'm going to add in those 6 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm going to add in the zest of that 1 lemon that I just zested, and then I also need a 1/4 cup of just plain white sugar. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this all up, and then this the recipe calls for using an 8 by 8 square baking dish, and believe it or not, I don't have one that small. 9 by 13 is my smallest. So what I'm gonna do is use this individual size, it's called the brownie pan, it's by Pampered Chef. So I'm just gonna make individual sized ones, and I'll see how many I get out of it. But if you have like an 8 by 8 pan or something sort of similar, then you can just make like one big tray of them. But once this is all mixed up, I'm gonna stick this in my oven, let it bake at 350 degrees once you sort of press it into the pan, and that's gonna cook for like 10 minutes, and then we're gonna let it cool, and I'll show you how to make the filling.
To yourself, and I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone.
So my crusts are out of the oven. These need to cool, and while they are cooling, I'm going to prepare the filling. So the filling is really simple to make. Now, all you're going to need are 2 egg yolks, just the yolks, not the whites. You're also going to need a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. You can find this most of the time in the baking aisle. I'm going to squeeze 1/2 cup of fresh lemon juice, as well as another teaspoon of lemon zest, and then total you're going to need about 1 cup of fresh blueberries. Of course, I washed these, but just save about 1/4 cup of them to put on top, and then the rest you'll fold into the filling.
Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city.
So these are ready to go in the oven. They go back in at 350 for 15 minutes. And then once they're done, you just let them cool at room temperature for like 10-15 minutes and then refrigerate them. And here they are, fresh out of the pan. They are nice and chilled, and I can already attest they taste delicious. I couldn't resist already having one. So I'm definitely going to be buying a new 8x8 pan. I had gotten rid of mine when we moved because it was really old, but it was very difficult to remove them from that pan with the little individual pockets, and they definitely came out a little bit messier than I would like, but they still taste delicious, so it's all good. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do give these lemon bars a try, I would love it if you would tag me over on Instagram. I just love when you guys post my recipes that you've made. Just makes my day. So again, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on Tuesday with another brand new video. Bye!